Hello YouTube, welcome to story about right joins, and they are totally opposite from left joins, meaning when we are dealing with left joins, this table here was primary and this was secondary, and now the things are reversed. This will be secondary and this one primary. Why? Because we want to extract all from this table and only corresponding rows from this one, and all other things will be disregarded. So we are not interested in stores where things are not sent yet, right? And theoretically this is represented on wiki page, graphically, as this. So we will combine a couple of things from both of these tables in such a way that B table is primary. Everything what is in B table is important, and only some things from A table are important, and they will be connected using SID in our cases as a common connecting ground. Right, and to better understand what I'm talking about, I will also add two rows here, because I want you to see what's gonna happen in the report when some data is missing from SID. So let's quickly do that. Insert into documents. Okay, we'll use ID, we need that, and we need the internal number. That's what we need. And yep, values. So values will be null for ID because it's automatic, and let's use some relatively generic numbers for documents. I think that's cool. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. Okay, and yet another values. Where I was, just a second. Yeah, values. I think that's cool. Right, so let's see what's in that table. Okay, now I have 7 and 8 because I was re-recording this video, so I removed number 5 and the 6, so sorry about that. But important thing here is that we have two null values. So this is interesting because we want to see in our final report where we didn't send anything, but they are in preparation, as I said, in accounting office. So let's go with our actual join. Select stores city and stores store name and documents table internal number. That's what we need from stores. Okay, next line, right join. That's important. Right join to documents. Okay, point of connection on stores.sid. Let's connect that to documents.sid, and we will not group order by our report. Just the primary stuff is a cool here. So there you go. So here's the thing. This is the right join kind of report. We see that all those packages with accounting papers, and there is 4 of them, okay, 4 of them left to these specific stores and these specific cities, but we have 2 of them in progress and they are not sent yet. We don't know city, and obviously we don't know store name. It's not yet decided. Our central of our corporation didn't send those things yet. So that's very cool stuff about joins. Just remember that if you want to grab from one table which is not in another table in such a way that you want to see everything which is missing, use right join. I mean, of course, obviously over time you will get that feeling what you need to use where, but the right join, at least in this simple case, will get the job done. So you can practice this couple of times. You can even add a couple of new documents here, even with a null or that are already sent, and the result will be pretty much the same, but you will get that feeling that you are grasping right joins better. Okay, that's about it. So I'm gonna shut up and render, and in next tutorial we will talk about how to connect two or more tables with the same structure, where their columns are structured in the same way, in a sense that the names of columns are same, everything is basically the same. So when you type describe this table and that another table, the result will be totally same. So you can connect that, you can group that. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna shut up and see you in next tutorial, definitely.